TradeWars.com. I'm Bob O'Brien, the head instructor with the courses. Welcome to the blog for the day, Trade Wars in the Global Economy. Now, essentially, in order to have a global economy, you can't have trade wars, or at least not a lot of trade wars. And essentially, from the tone of what happened with the U.S. imposing essentially tariffs on Chinese tires coming into the U.S., and it really had an impact on markets yesterday throughout the global economy and so forth. It's just proof positive that we fully haven't accepted the global economy yet, and you really need to make certain that you accept the fact that we are in a global economy, and of course there are going to be some trade disputes from time to time. But you also want to make certain that you see yourself as a global investor, regardless of where you live.
Be certain to check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. Got a lot of great links in there for you. There's also the question of the week, so be certain to check that out. Now, if China wanted to create massive economic turmoil for the U.S., they could easily do so by simply just dumping all their dollars. This would also be not in their own interest. It would hurt their own economy, the global economy, and essentially, when it comes to any war, whether it be the Cold War or a trade war, whatever the case may be, it's apparent to both sides that no one would win this. And there are plenty of BRIC nations that could easily step up and be the catalyst in this global economy. So as the global economy continues to evolve, there's going to be these disputes from time to time, and they need to be called out. China and the U.S. just need to air out their frustrations with each other in regards to trade from time to time. But there's really nothing wrong with holding China's feet to the fire on trade. China's a strong player in the global economy. And it just seems to be there's a lot of people out there that really feel that the U.S. should become martyrs in defense of protectionism. There's a real imbalance there. I think that the fact that most Americans agree that protectionism is not a good thing, and the defense of this has just seemed to have gone overboard. Now, the relationship with the U.S. and China is no doubt a bit confusing. It's also very mutually beneficial. It's an evolving relationships, and these changes, have really been at the core of the financial crisis that we've seen. There's a great era of growth sparked by the U.S. borrowing from China in order to buy from China's products, and this did not turn out too well. So these are the things that you want to make certain that you understand as an investor in the global economy. So don't wait, get educated, take control of your investing. Get to www.mywealth.com.
Yeah, definitely check out our currency course. If you're interested in understanding more about trade and what national banks do, Federal Reserve banks throughout the world, what they do in order to protect their trade, whether it be they look to reduce the value of their currency and so forth. There's been a popular strategy in the Asia countries and so forth. We go through that in our currency course. And if you feel like our currency course is a bit of a stretch, definitely check out our Investing 101 course. That will propel you to a higher level as an investor. Maybe then take the currency course or one of our other trading courses as well. Definitely check out these courses. They're very affordable. There are videos like these. There's written text, and you're able to ask questions, participate. The feedback has been phenomenal on these courses. They're very affordable. You don't want to miss them. And have a great day.